Alright guys, this is Dwipen, and here, as we discussed earlier, that price will bounce from this level, and today price opened a gap up, and we have seen some correction from this area. So let me show in a 15-minute time frame. So here price opened a gap up, price again pull back and try to break this higher point, but finally price failed to break this higher point, again drop. So we are expecting that tomorrow price may gap down, or it may retest this 200 exponential moving average around 15,700, somewhere there. So if you see the global market, Nifty and the rest of the Asian market was it's close positive, but right now US market are negative somewhere here. Dow Jones are negative by 0.25%, S&P 500 negative by 0.31%, Nasdaq negative by 0.53%. And we expected the price may retest this level, but I'm expecting if price hit this moving average, this one 200 exponential moving average, so we are looking for buy in this area, or basically I'm looking for buy after giving a pullback. So here, according to the price action method, somewhere we have seen like price create a new high, on the pullback create a high, and the new pullback would be somewhere this level around 15,750. So it may as support. So basically we are looking for buy after giving a correction. So we are expecting this tomorrow price will open near 15,700, but I am looking for buy above 15,700. Or if price break or gap down below this moving average around 15,700, somewhere there, I'm looking for short below this level. Okay, so if you see like Bank Nifty, let me show you Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, okay, Nifty Bank. Okay, Nifty Bank. So here same pattern they are forming, and basically I'm looking for buy above 33,500. So here, so we are expecting that price will retest the level of 33,500. So that will be my entry point after giving a pullback somewhere here. So because according to the price action method, clear uptrend they are forming and some correction, and the supporting level at 33,500. So in that case we are looking for some bullish confirmation above this level. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.